is actually the same. I thought it'd be different. So I got the battery in, but now we're having another issue. There's no power. There's nothing. Nothing. Not a click, nothing. So there's something probably wrong with the ignition, something inside there. And now I'm double checking the fuses again because I'd already checked them, went through them. This is good. These are the relays. There's no way of checking those. And leave that up to the mechanic. But these we're gonna double check again. I mean, it's beyond me. I went online and everything. This just doesn't make sense. And I don't blame CFMOTO. I blame the guys who sold it. They feel like they didn't even test anything. Like, did they turn it on, crank it? Who knows? It's frustrating. I mean, I should have checked it before buying it, but I didn't because it was minus 30, and I thought I don't need to crank it on yet. And I thought maybe they disconnected something from the battery. Then I started getting suspicious. No, this isn't right. So I swapped the battery. Battery's good, tested good, and it's still not turning on. So there's something deeper going on here. I'm gonna find out Monday when they pick it up. And that was another thing. They were almost gonna charge me $100 for picking it up. I said, nope. Already come to the shop 3 times. 2 times for the battery, dropping it off, picking it up. This is on you guys. So they called back and said they'll pick it up. Obviously, they know there's something wrong on their end.